Hi, let's talk about this massive pivot door. This pivot door is 6 feet wide by 10 feet tall. My reach is 8 feet. So this is bigger than your average pivot door. Average size of a pivot door is 5 feet, which would be about right here, by 8 feet. So this is clearly bigger. That's one of the things I like most about this pivot door. I also like the simplicity of this door. It's black, that means it'll never go out of style. It'll match everything. And they have a very nice square pull. This square pull runs the entire length of the door, and it doesn't stand out a whole lot. I also see that the client here chose a smart lock. That means that they can assign temporary keys to visitors, and people can open and close the door with their smartphone, or it can be operated with a key fob. If you have kids, you can put a key fob in their backpack and they can go in and out. This lock also comes with a very nice app that gives you a report of the people that come and go. And let's say you have guests or you have persons that are working on the home. You can give them a window as to when they can come and go from your home and limit their access to the window that you specify. If you'd like more information on getting one of these breathtaking pivot doors for your home, please give us a call or fill out the contact form and we'll give you a call. Thank you very much.